guys, my name is Viana. For today's video is let's go clean our bedroom. Wait guys, let's clean it first. Let's clean it muna. So I'm a Filipino guys, kala niya American ako. Ito yung namin kama. Wait lang guys. So, eto guys. Lilinisin na. Yan yung mga you should start your Okay na guys, so thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.